The role of protein in weight loss, how to build a diet that works. Weight loss is a common goal for many people, and there are countless diets and weight loss plans available. However, not all diets are created equal and it can be challenging to know which one to choose. In this video, we will discuss the importance of protein in weight loss and how to build a diet that works. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in weight loss. It helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can help to reduce cravings and overeating. Protein also helps to preserve muscle mass while you are losing weight, which is important for maintaining a healthy metabolism. There are many sources of protein, including animal-based foods such as meat, fish, and dairy, as well as plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. When building a weight loss diet, it's important to focus on high-quality protein sources that are nutrient-dense and low in calories. It's also important to consider the overall balance of your diet. In addition to protein, your diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide important nutrients and help to create a balanced and sustainable diet. Weight loss can be a challenging goal, but understanding the role of protein in weight loss can help to make the process more effective and sustainable. By focusing on high-quality protein sources and building a balanced diet, you can create a weight loss plan that works for you. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet.